ओके, तो चलिए निफ्टी के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं। जैसा कि हमने एनालिसिस किया था, बताया था कि फॉलो थ्रू यदि कुछ बनाता है यहाँ से 50 मिनट कैंडल आया था। जैसे मैंने डिस्कस किया था कि 50 मिनट कैंडल यहाँ पर बना, बुलिश कैंडल, देन यहाँ पर इट ट्राई टू फॉल डाउन, बट यहाँ से ये हैमर बना के यहाँ से ऊपर गया। बट मेरा बाइंग साइड कन्विंसिंग मुझे नहीं लग रहा था, इसलिए मैंने बोला था कि फॉलो थ्रू 60 मिनट कैंडल आता है देन वी कैन गो एंड बाय। बट कुछ कन्विंसिंग चीजें आई नहीं, यहाँ पर रिजेक्शन कहीं ना कहीं मारा, यहाँ पर जाके रुक गया, कहीं ना कहीं इसके लो को भी तोड़ दिया था कन्विंसिंगली। तो दैट वाज द, आई थिंक, वन ऑफ द इंडिकेशन कि यहाँ से चीजें नीचे जा सकती हैं, और डाउन साइड वॉज मोर फेवरेबल क्योंकि 60 मिनट मूविंग एवरेज पे कहीं ना कहीं चीजें थी, तो यहाँ से आके यहाँ चीजें गिरी। तो जैसे ही यहाँ पर मेरा मेरा ये था कि यहाँ पर डेफिनेटली बाइंग साइड प्रेशर है नहीं, ये जो स्विंग आ रहा है, आई थिंक, जो कि लोअर लो, व्हेन मार्केट जब जाता है डाउन साइड की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, डाउन ट्रेंड जब होता है तो लोअर लो लोअर हाई बनाता है। डेफिनेटली ये लो गया, फिर लोअर हाई बनाया, जब नीचे जाने का रहता है तो लोअर लो बनाता। इसलिए मैंने जस्ट 15 to 20 पॉइंट्स का ये असर लगा के 60 मिनट कैंडल का कि इसको हाई को तोड़ा तो मैं निकल जाऊंगा, और जस्ट इसके कन्विंस, तो मुझे कन्विंस था कि मैं यहाँ से चीजें यहाँ से गिर सकती हैं, इसलिए मैंने रिस्क लिया था। बट वो दैट रिस्क वाज नॉट बिग, इट वाज जस्ट 15 to 20 पॉइंट्स, तो वो चलता एंड अच्छा खासा दिया। बट मैंने 40 to 60 पॉइंट जो भी मेरा टारगेट रहता है कवर दैट, एंड मैं निकल गया। एंड सेकंड ट्रेड मैंने ये लिया कि फिर यहाँ से आई थॉट कि यहाँ से कुछ अच्छा खासा डाउनफॉल हो सकता है, बट यहाँ पर हुआ नहीं। रुक गया यहाँ पर आके सपोर्ट लेवल पे जहाँ से ही गया था, तो माइनर प्रॉफिट के साथ मैं निकल गया इसमें। सो दैट वाज द थिंग फॉर टुडे। चैलेंजेस डेफिनेटली आती हैं। चैलेंजेस वाज लाइक कि वेट एंड वॉच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, पेशेंस इज द की, एंड विथ प्रॉपर स्टॉप लॉस इज द की, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। जब ये बना, जब ये 60 मिनट कैंडल बन गया, तो ये 60 मिनट कैंडल बन गया तो मेरा जो है स्टॉप लॉस जो ट्रेल ट्रेल हो गया, तो नेक्स्ट स्टॉप लॉस मेरा हो गया था 25,723 के आसपास। और इससे पहले स्टॉप लॉस क्या था मेरा, जब मैंने ट्रेड लिया था, इट वॉज इसके स्विंग के आसपास, क्योंकि यहाँ से नेक्स्ट स्विंग था। बट यहाँ जो हो गया 60 मिनट कैंडल, तो मेरा हो गया था कि इसको यदि तोड़े इसके हाई को 60 मिनट कैंडल को, तो मैं 25,723 को तो मैं निकल जाऊंगा सिंपल तरीके से। यहाँ गया नहीं कन्विंसिंगली, बट यहाँ पर रुका भी नहीं और नीचे भी नहीं आ रहा था, टाइम भी हो गया था, तो मैं सोचा कि इट्स बेटर to whatever the profit you are getting, or whatever the losses, minor losses, or whatever thing is happening, do not wait, just stay out of the market. Simple logic था, simple concept था, but you need to have a great patience as a trader. ओवर ट्रेडिंग में एक बार होने लगता है कि when you क्या होता है, when you consider things from your own side, but what happens that Nifty do not want to go at that point of time level, and but you uh, try to create situation from your own, वो नहीं करना है, ऑब्जेक्टिवली करना है, पेशेंसली वेट एंड वॉच करना है, ऑब्जर्व करना है। व्हेन actually objectively with proper price action, when it shows that it is showing, or it is favoring in your direction, then you can go that side. Otherwise, um, your point is like 40 to 60 points. When you get, you have to stay out of the market when you get this thing. One trade a day is max. Sometimes in a day, if you do not get any trade, do not do that. इट में भी सिचुएशन आता है कि 2 3 दिन 4 दिन भी नहीं आते ट्रेड, you do not need to do that. You do not need to take any trade if it is not coming to your radar, if it is not forming any proper price action, or it is not giving any confirmation, because confirmation is the key, right? तो challenges definitely आते हैं, and when you take the trade, थोड़ा सा आता है इमोशनल की चीजें आ रही है नहीं आ रही, बट आपको ये कंसिडर करना है कि इट्स ऑल अबाउट द प्रोबेबिलिटी गेम। it may go down, up, or your side, or against your favor, but it's definitely it's uncertainty, right? And that's why probability game is important. You have to be right most of the time, but not all the time. And that's why lot management, how much lot you are taking in Nifty, is very important, because you have to be consistent. and you do not need to be in hope or any greed that if I lost yesterday, I will manage it today. You have to take every trade as a fresh trade, right? That's the criteria here. You have to be confident. You have to make yourself confident first, right? And when you become confident, then you can increase the lot size and everything, right? But initially, you have to build capital. You have to build confidence. That is very important. Go slow. That I will suggest. Make yourself confident and be patient. That is very important thing because as someone said, I think Warren Buffett said that market transfer money from impatient to patient. That is very important, that you have to be patient, wait for your setup, wait for your proper price action confirmation, right? And then you do the thing. You do not need to consider things from your own. Everything should be objective, with proper stop loss, with proper money management. That is the key here. That is the probability mindset you should have, right, as a trader, with proper process following system, right? Nothing else. Everything should be systematic, right? When you come to the trading decks, one thing should be in your mind always, that it's a probability game. And when it is probability game, you have to manage your risk well. You have to take trade when it comes to your radar, because market is uncertain, right? So when it will be on your mind, all these things will be on your mind, you will be automatically cool, calm down, and take trades proper calmness, right? With proper system, right? By following each and everything, right? You will have a patience over time, right? So that kind of calmness that is required as a trader. If you want to become, and if you want to go long, and if you want to build long-term trader, right? So that is very important. सो अभी डिस्कस करते हैं कि क्या चीज़ें हैं, क्या चीज़ें नहीं है। डे डेली चार्ट पे देखते हैं। डेफिनेटली यहाँ पे बाइंग आया, आया और यहाँ से रिजेक्शन आया है, तो रिजेक्शन कैंडल कहीं ना कहीं बना हुआ है। अब ये चीज़ें कहीं ना कहीं आके रुकी हुई है। नाउ मे भी हो सकता है कि मंडे से यहाँ से नीचे गिरा इस लेवल तक आ सकता है। ये जो गैप फिलअप नेक्स्ट है, यहाँ से ट्राई करके यहाँ से हो सकता है बाउंस बैक करे, या यहाँ पे आ सकता है, या हो सकता है कि यहाँ पर फिर सस्टेन करे, या यहाँ से फिर रिवर्स करके market can go up as well. So our goal is like, whatever the thing is making does not matter. As an intraday trader, as an option buyer, you have to think on a daily basis. You have to think that whether in today basis, whether it is giving confirmation for today's buy or not. That is very important. Whether it is buy side or upside, it should be on your radar. It should be on your system. If it is showing on your system, then you have to go buy, right? Put or call, whatever it is, right? So अभी देखते हैं। आह, अभी अभी भी I am more convinced on the selling side, not on the buying side, but depends on the price action and everything. चीज़ें ऑन मंडे को देखना पड़ेगा कि चीज़ें कैसे रिएक्ट कर रही है ना, जैसे कैसे बिहेव कर रही है। बट स्टिल आई एम मोर inclined to on downside, but totally trade will be taken based on the price action only, with proper price action and with proper 60-minute candle formation. I will wait for the first 60-minute candle, and then based on that I will wait or watch or take trade. It will be completely based on the 60-minute candle, right? Because in 15-minute um, chart, it's completely sideways again, right? But in 60-minute candle, definitely the super trend is below. But if you see the context, definitely it's on the moving average, right? So that I need to consider as well. So it depends how the market is opening as well. But I will mostly consider the first 60-minute candle, how it is forming, and then based on that I will have my own view. And if price action supports that, or if it is not, it will not give me any trade for Monday or Tuesday, whatever the day is. I will not. I will just sit, wait, observe, and if it comes to my radar, then only I will take proper money management and probability thinking, right? Because it's all about probability, and that's where money management is very important. It's certainty, right? So I just want to show you something here. Uh, you see here few principles that I generally follow. The market does not pay for intelligence or effort, it pays for discipline, reputation, under uncertainty. This is very important. Discipline, reputation, under uncertainty. This is very important, right? And second thing is your edge does not fail, your patience expires when math plays out. So it's very important to be patient, right? Patience is everything. A professional trader measures success by rule and adherence, not by today's profit and loss. It's very important. Today you make profit maybe by luck or something like, but if you do not, or if you're breaking the rules, and even by breaking rules, if you're making profit, sooner or later, every profit will be vanish for sure because you're not following the system. You need to have a proper system. You already have a system, right? You just need to follow the process. Probabilistic thinking, first of all, with proper stop loss, money management, following the process. Like I am a totally trend trader, right? So I follow the trend and see multiple time frame analysis, 60 minutes, 15 minutes, right? Not a small time frame. Never use a small time frame. I always use 15 minutes, 60 minutes. That is the thing, and daily candle just for the overall view, right? Now you see the moment you stop needing the trade to win is the moment you start trading correctly. That is the probability thinking. That is very important. If you go here, trading becomes profitable when ego exists, probabilities enter and risk stays fixed. That's what I said. My job is not to predict but to execute flawlessly. That is very important. Your job is to not predict but execute your system, execute your process flawlessly, right? Without any thinking, with proper money management, with proper stop loss, right? With objectively, right? Without considering anything in your head, right? Without any recency bias or anything like that. Every day is a fresh day, every day is a new day, every day market is new, right? So that's it. That's what I wanted to suggest you, what I wanted to tell you, right? So okay, thank you. Cheers.